exports. Very, very small number of exports. On a recent online survey of ABS-CBN, sang-ayon ba kayo na ipagbawal ang online gaming sa Pilipinas? Ang result was overwhelmingly in favor of the ban. And even online, makikita mo online, meron mga heart and then yung parang ibang icon para hindi pagbawal. Like this one, it's 175,000. There's another one that I saw, overwhelming then about 50 plus thousand were against online gaming and only 500 plus were for online gaming.
Mm-hmm.
So it's becoming to be a scourge in our society, guys. I'm letting everyone know that this is becoming to be worse. Ganito lang kumpisa ganito lang kumpisa yan. Kung sa isabong, diba? Parang walang namamansin dyan. After 2 to 3 years, pumunta nga ako ng Siargao kasi I go fishing sa Siargao. Yung mga nagtatambay lang doon, lahat sila nakaisabong, nakapapanood ng video. Sabi ko, nako, this is going to be another problem in our country, and it became a big problem in our country. So, this online gaming has only been siguro popularized in the last 2 years. So if we continue this in the next 2 years, by the end of the term of the president, we'll be a nation of online gamblers, a nation of addicted gamblers, and a drop, and you'll see all across the board in all sectors, there will be a drop in productivity, drop in consumer spending, there will be a drop even in energy utilization kasi wala na silang pambayad ng kuryente. And this will also increase the number of crimes, petty crimes, theft, scamming, and all that, para na makapagbayad dito sa addiction na ito. So we have to stop this. We have to stop this. Or else, kawawa po yung ating mga anak, ating mga kababayan.
So sir, considering na maraming sumusuporta dyan sa proposed bill nyo na yan, sa tingin nyo, mabilis siyang maaprubahan dito sa Senate?
Alam mo, ang problema natin, malalakas na individual ang kalaban natin dito. Mayayaman po ito.
Nakikinabang dito sa online gaming, sir.
Mayayaman po ang mga kalaban natin dito. We all know that the owners of online gaming sites are very wealthy and powerful individuals. It's going to be a tough fight. Marami akong kausap na mga senador, halos kalahati naman ay pabor dito sa ipagbawal ang online gaming or high regulation. Pero hindi pa natatakot ako, hindi pa lumalabas yung mga, syempre, ang hindi pa nagre-flex ng muscle. Ito mga maglalabi against the banning.